What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 8, I believe. It is currently Friday, December 25th, Christmas time. I actually shot an entire vlog throughout the whole day, but your boy's leaving on a trip tomorrow and I still have to pack. I have to go to sleep. It's currently like 7:40 p.m. I gotta wake up at 3 o'clock to head out to the airport. We're going on a trip. So today's full day vlog will be going up mañana. That way it gives me a chance to, get settled in. I'll be filming tomorrow as well. But basically today, I just wanted to get a video up to you guys because I know I told you guys I'd be posting a video every single day. So that's what I'm doing. I just want to say a quick Merry Christmas and thank you guys for following me along this journey and just supporting the channel and supporting me, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick tip about, eating during the holiday season. If you guys did go overboard, you guys are feeling guilty today, hey, tomorrow is a brand new day. Just jump back into your routine, guys. Do a little bit of cardio, not excessive, 40 minutes max. Hit your weights hard, guys. Put those carbs and put that food to use. Enjoy the pump, guys. Feel the burn and really just get focused on what you guys want to accomplish in your guys' goals, whether that's physical, mental, spiritual, guys. So don't get down on yourself for one day of the year that you guys enjoyed yourself. Like I said, guys, just enjoy this time with your family. Tomorrow, jump into your routine like nothing happened. Don't do anything drastic. Just get back onto your regular eating, macros, nutrition, training, etc. If you guys need help with that, I'd love to help you guys out. Apply for one-on-one coaching. The link is in the description. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow, full vlog, etc. We're gonna be in a new place and I'll kind of show you guys that at the end of tomorrow's video. But anyways, that's gonna go ahead and do it. I wish you guys had a Merry Christmas. Enjoy this time with your family and loved ones. If you guys don't really have that, hey, I'm your family, guys. Merry Christmas to you guys. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We have this be.